If you need the perfect Tim Hortons French vanilla iced cappuccino recipe where you actually nail the frothiness of the drink when you get it at their actual restaurant, I have the perfect recipe for you, closer than you've ever come. And the best part about it is you're not gonna walk away feeling guilty after drinking it. Welcome to Dad Bod Fitness. My name is David, and if you want to maximize your muscle growth, strip the body fat, and transform your life all while with your family, consider subscribing. Let's get into the recipe. So in this recipe, simple ingredients. We have almond milk, I have Arbonne vanilla protein powder.
This is going to be gross.
I don't know about that. And we have ancient bone broth protein powder. I'm gonna tell you why I have two different protein powders in just a minute. And I have, of course, my French vanilla coffee, which
I love coffee. Me too.
So they say. I have, this is pre-made, so it's already cold, which is what I would recommend, although you can put it in hot. Ready? We're gonna put in just about probably 1 cup of almond milk. Yeah, you can keep going. Oh, too much. All right, so little mishap, we had to adjust that. 1 cup of almond milk. I would suggest going with the vanilla almond milk, although you don't have to, but it is really low calorie. The next thing I'm going to do is to take my coffee. You can do as much as you want, but if we're doing for an actual blender, I would do somewhere between like the 2 and the 4. You don't need a ton of coffee. 4 might be a little bit much. Ready? Good, 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 good. Okay.
That's like delicious.
So next, this is truly for the flavor. This is why I have 2 protein powders. I want a solid vanilla protein flavor. Arbonne, to me, bar none, if that's the right expression, I think is one of the best, if not the best. So we're gonna do 1 solid scoop. Yeah, that's plenty, right? Well, no, you can make it nice and full. Perfect. Dump that right in there. 1 full scoop of protein powder. Then, this is the reason why we have ancient bone broth protein powder. Really, my sweet wife who's filming has discovered this. This is not for the flavor. It smells great. To me, it doesn't taste as good, but it smells good. And it's a vanilla ancient bone broth. This, I'm telling you, will give you the froth that you're looking for. You just have to blend it enough. So we're gonna get a nice big scoop, Addie. This has now created a protein shake that is the Tim Hortons Ice Cap. Now watch when we blend it all together, it's gonna be incredible. We're gonna throw ice cubes in next. I would say be generous with ice cubes. Play with it, it's gonna depend on how big they are. Somewhere between probably 8 and 10 ice cubes. All right, so here, probably actually more than 8 to 10 ice cubes. You can just kind of see here, there's a good amount of ice in there, so just make sure to have it. Probably the total amount of it should be half full, because this thing's gonna expand. This is gonna create a lot of a delicious drink. We're gonna blend it up. Okay, we finished blending, so seriously blend it about 3 minutes, and I'm not joking on that. The longer you blend it, the better it gets. Someone needed lunch. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but as we open this up, like the froth is incredible. And smell it.
There's a bubble.
Here we go. I don't know if that gives you perspective. I probably even could have gone more ice. But to give you an idea of the froth, I mean, look at the creaminess of that. Hopefully, Aiden here won't try and get it, but I want to give you an idea of the frothiness. Seriously, try this, it's incredible. You can eat with a spoon, holy crap, it's so good. The texture is phenomenal. All right, it does have coffee in it, so little bits. So the best part about this is the total calories for this shake. And now look, this literally like doubled in size. It'll create like 8 cups of these, if not more. I have a full 8-ounce glass. It'll make 4 of those. You're super full, 210 calories. That's half, less than half of what you're gonna be getting in an actual Tim Hortons iced cappuccino. Try out this recipe. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. If you liked the video, would you like the video? And if not, let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see changed.
Pretty good. That's blowing my brain up. That's blowing my brain up.
And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to check out another awesome video from the Dad Bod Fitness Library, click or tap the screen right over here, or click or tap the screen right up over here for a full free workout program that you can actually download. As always, be intentional, and what do we say, guys? Bring the intensity.
Later, intensity.
And we'll see you on the next video.